Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to discuss the basic Proteus circuit which I constructed with the help of 4-byte binary adder. So first of all I'm gonna read the question. So we have to design a 4-bit combinational circuit by means of 4-bit binary adder. So we have two stages. So in first stage we have to design a combinational circuit in order to implement following two functions, which are when the input provided is an even number, one is added into convert into in odd number. So no processing is required for odd number input. It means when we will apply even number on input, then we will get odd on output, and when we will apply odd on input, then we will get odd on output. So in both conditions we have to display odd on output. And the other thing is that we have to show the input which I applied by the help of output on second stage. I'm gonna show you the circuit, so it will clear you all your queries. So this is our basic circuit which I constructed by the help of keypad. So first of all I will clear you. This is our basic Proteus circuit. Here we will design a 4-bit combinational circuit by the help of 4-bit binary adder. So here you can see all the muxes. We have here uses 4 8x1 muxes. So the basic purpose of this mux is that, so without these muxes we will get another type of display on segment. So without these muxes, if I will apply 1, then the BCD segment will show us 9, and if I will apply 2, it will show us 8. And so for this correction, here we use 8x1 muxes. So we connected these muxes by rudimentary method. So I'm gonna show you the rudimentary method which I applied on this these 4 muxes. So these are all our 4-bit inputs, and these are our outputs. By comparing our outputs with respect to inputs, we get rudimentary method for outputs. So such as I'm comparing all of the inputs one by one with our C input, then I will get all these conditions. So we connected these outputs with the help of our rudimentary method, these conditions which I got it. So first of all here I compare W with C, and then X with C, and then Y with C, and then Z with C, and by comparing these I will get on output these input conditions. So here you can see X which shows us don't care because somewhere we have arithmetic operations and other operations. So for these we have here use don't cares. So now we move to our circuit. So after getting correct input on our BCD display, such as we have to run our circuit. So such as I'm applying 2, it will show us 2. If I'm applying 3, it will show us 3. If I'm applying 4, it will show us 4. So this is our correct segment. So our segment is displaying correct variables according to our keypad. So we have to construct this circuit. If I'm so you can see here I use binary adder. If I will apply 1 on it, it will convert into subtractor. If I'm applying 0, then it will convert into binary adder. So here I use the 4 inputs of BCD segment to these 4 inputs of binary adder, and as it is, these 3 inputs will display on our second stage. So these 3 inputs will display on our output, first stage output, and these 3 will connect it again to our second stage, because these 3 conditions are not changeable. So you can see if I'm applying 3 on input, then I will get 3 on output on first stage, and in second stage I will get 3 because my input is 3. So second stage and input is always same. If I'm applying 4 on input, then second stage will shows us 4. If I'm applying 5, it will shows us 5. So they're always displaying odd number. If I'm applying here 2, it will shows us 3. If I'm applying here 3, it will shows us 3. If I'm applying here 4, it will shows us 5. Because if I'm applying even number, then it will add one number with the help of binary adder and displays as next to it. And second stage is same as it is input. So you can see if I'm applying 6 on it, then with the help of binary adder, it will add one number and displays as 7, which is odd number, and second stage will shows us as it is input. So now if I'm applying 7, it will shows us 7 because 7 is itself odd number. So second stage output is also same to input. So if I'm applying 8, then it will add 1 with the help of binary adder and then displays as 9, and the second stage output will same to input. So this is our basic circuit for constructing combinational circuit of 4-bit. So this is our basic circuit for constructing our 4-bit combinational circuit. So now you can see all the conditions are fully specified because we have constructed first stage and then we have second stage. So in first stage, when we are applying even number, then it will get us on output odd number, and if I am applying odd number, then it will get us on output on odd number. So in second stage, the input will display on second stage output. So these conditions are fulfilled. So this is our basic Proteus circuit, which will displays all the outputs which I require. So now you can see we have to apply these outputs on it. So if I'm applying 0 0 1 0, it means 2, then it will display 3 on first stage and 2 on second stage. Such as if I'm applying 2 on input, then it will display as 3 on output, which is 1 1, and will display on 2 on second stage. So first table is fulfilled, and if I'm applying 3 on input, then it will display as 3 on output first stage and 3 on output second stage. If I'm applying 2, then it will also display 3 on first stage and 2 on second stage. So now you can see if I'm applying 3 here, then it will display 3 on first stage and 3 on second stage. So this is our basic circuit. So that's all from my side. Jazakallah.